最近は私もテキパキと仕事をこなせるようになったわ。信頼もされてるものだけどその分苦労も多いのよ。あなたとの約束忘れるくらい忙しい毎日慌ただしく過ぎた昨日今日はゆっくり歩こうよ。見つめ合えばわかる気がする。今ちょっとの大切な時
She just drives away nice as can be. First people ask, isn't it weird driving on that side? No, not really.
She's a speed demon. And these are 600cc?
660, yeah.
660 was the okay.
The only trick, really, in driving this thing is you have to drive it like a cab over truck. You drive into the intersection, then you steer back, because if you drive it aiming to things like you would in a normal car, your ass end will run over curbs.
Oh, okay. And it's surprisingly nimble for the center.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I mean it doesn't feel spooky or wobbly or and really people think, oh well, you know, a van with a 660 cc bike engine in it. It's geared so low that actually it accelerates quite well, so, you know, all considered.
Right.
Now you're in top gear, 4,500 RPM, and it's 80 kilometers. It'll do, in a pinch it'll do 100.
Yeah. That's all they were rev limit. They were designed to stay under 70 or so.
Yeah, basically. I mean, there are 55 to 70 mile an hour vehicles. It varies a little with automatics, or whether it's an all-wheel drive, whether it's a pickup truck or a van. Some of them are, you know, turboed and supercharged and things. And it is a motorcycle engine.
Right.
This is one half of a Honda 6 cut in half.
They are so innovative.
Most difficult thing to remember, the column controls on a right-hand drive are opposite from an American car. You have to remind yourself, the turn signals are always by the door. 50 kph, that would be about 30 something.
There you go, right.
Nothing that wouldn't allow you to take something like this. I mean, I can go to the grocery store, I've got a dump sticker on it.
Yeah.
I take it to work sometimes.
Nice.
You know, it's perfectly usable as a